if he's working or out having fun. He should have been at home. He said 15 minutes after 1. I never cheated on him, misunderstood. Hanging out, or did I guess it wasn't so good? He may have thought that I was not being true. Oh, him leaving me would break my heart in two. I'll always love you. I'll always love you, baby. I'll always love you, and I'll always be there for you, baby. I'll always love you. I'll always love you, baby. I'll always love you, and I'll always be there for you. It's 9:01. He's not at home. I'm getting worried. Sitting here next to the phone. He knows my number, 59803. And I wish he would call to show just some respect for me. He will say I love you, check out my point of view. Thought things you do, I can never do them to you. He's a real good man, don't wanna blow it, I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it, show it, show it. And let him know it. I'll always love you. I'll always love you, baby. I'll always love you, and I'll always be there for you, baby. I'll always love you. I'll always love you, baby. I'll always love you, and I'll always be there for you. And I'm always gonna love you. I hope you feel the same too. You tell me things I never knew, and I'm lost without you.
Okay, I'm back, baby. I have something to say. You're my love. Why did I act that way about you? My thoughts, my feelings was wrong. My trust was weak and my jealousy strong. Being away from you, girl, it's what I hated the most. I miss kissing and hugging you or just being close. I was being selfish. I guess you call it greed. I don't want this love in your love. It's all I need.
You say you want me, and if it's true, I want you. So try and understand this. You wanna be my man? This is the plan. This is the deal. We gotta be real. It's true, life is full of several ups and downs. You've been away from me, has turned my life all around. I'm not a nightclub girl, I'm Mooney